That trophy will be crowned to a champion very soon. But we're not there yet, because this is only the showdown. Today, see here? We have the classical lap race. Living faster and shorter this time, and we're about to find out who will win here tonight. This is the showdown. And you see the teams so far. Misty Mystics, Bronze Tigers, Galaxies and Atlantics are the ones to look out for. But everyone in their qualification zones, you also need to look out for them today as well. Our first heat consists of Rose Thorns, Ketchups, Grasshoppers, Team Blah, Tree Trunks, Atlantics, Hawaiians and Colour Balls. You know, Wilson will off. Hawaiians are in the lead. And they have won the first race. Ketchups. They will not finish the first race. But the Hawaiians, they get 8 points. And up again. Colour Balls lead the way right now in front of Tree Trunks. And that's how it's going to end. And the Ketchups! Again, I'm getting caught up. There. Is that race 3 or lap 3 or 4? Oh, Hawaiians got caught up. Team Blah will now lead the way as we enter the final lap. Lap 5. And we are. Top 4 will move on. You need this. To the lead. Atlantic, Grasshoppers, Rose Thorns and Team Blah. Tree Trunks, Ketchups, Hawaiians and Colour Balls. Alright, Rose Thorns, Team Blah, Atlantics and Grasshoppers will advance, so that's good for the Atlantics. They are in the top 4, so Zappers, Galaxies, Rangers, Neon Paws, Misty Mystics, Knife Fighters, Border Kills, and Bronze Tigers. And we're off for lap 1. Who's in the lead first? Knife Fighters. They'll win it. Border Kills will start there last. So you're at lap 2 now. We're off. Neon Paws in front of that, but the World Galaxies tried it. Misty Mystics and dead last. Galaxies are trying to auto qualify for next season as much as they can. And they're in the lead. And they will keep the lead as we're at the penultimate lap. Night Fighters are here, are in dead last. Penultimate lap. Here we go. Galaxies are still there. There's Bronze Tigers now out the back. And there's the final lap. Who is the top 4? Galaxies are one of those ones. And then lead. Oh, they muck up. But they will keep it. The Rangers and Bronze Tigers. Oh, Misty Mystics and that. Well, we got our top 8 now. And now we're about to find out who gets the gold. And we are! Who's how to have fun? It's Neon Paws. All the kills are right there as well. The good start for those marbles. We do the second lap. Neon Paws and the Atlantics in front. Galaxies are not having fun this time. We're doing the lap 3 now. Can they get a win of some sort? So far it doesn't look like it. All the tails are in the way. But the Galaxy 7s. Okay. Because it's basically Galaxies and you know who at this point. So Grasshoppers now are in the lead. The Legends they're in third. Where's the Galaxy? 6th place still. So they're still hovering around that 5th, 6th spot. Penultimate lap time. The Galaxy. They need this. Oh, they get caught up. And they... Oh, okay. Galaxy are in front of the Atlantics. Switch to the last lap. Are the Atlantics going to take this over? We are. Yes, they are so far, but Galaxy's right there. And the Galaxies get the gold, and they... I think we'll win the showdown in the best way possible. That was tight. And they get the gold. By only math, they will win the showdown. After not qualifying for 2 seasons, they will be back for season 11 when that comes back around. But don't go anywhere, because the Snow Lap race is coming back to crown the season 10 champion. Let's see who will win Cheese Wars versus Coral Reefs.